Hey there, it's Bogdan, and I've got something I'm super excited about to share with you today and to invite you to. See, I run an online education company called Potentia, and so the mission of my work is delivering world-class products and programs in the areas that the education system, falls short. You know, all those essential things that we need in order to live a happy and successful life? Well, I want to be able to bring that. That's the mission of the company. And that involves partnering with people because I only know certain things and certain things that I'm great at. And so I can share, such as accelerated learning or productivity, certain topics that I've become great at. But a lot of things I don't know. And so a lot of this work involves partnering up with people who are the best of their best at what they do. People who are masters at specific elements that they've done for years and years, that they've developed such a high level of expertise at, that they're able to literally create transformation for people in very short periods of time. And that's what this video is about. See, recently I partnered up with two people, two of the most amazing, incredible people I've ever had the privilege of meeting, interacting with, working with, seeing the transformation they create for people, who are Heiko and Selina Niedermeyer. And they are experts at a technique, which I'll talk about in a moment, called releasing. Essentially, what they do is they work with people, and they've done this all around the world for over 25 years. They have 25 years of experience doing this, helping people to delete and to remove and to clear out all of the blocks that we have in our subconscious that stop us and prevent us from achieving the success that we desire and we deserve in our life. Essentially, as we all go through life, we all have these ups and downs. We have pleasurable moments, we have painful moments. And the challenge is in those painful moments, a lot of us, in fact, all of us, at sometime in the past, we all develop certain beliefs, disempowering beliefs, limiting beliefs. We develop certain programs, or certain programs are passed down to us by our parents, by the community, by society, and so on. So programs. We also have pain and emotional things that we haven't dealt with, trauma, things like that, things that are heavy and the things that are known as kind of internal baggage, emotional baggage. And for a lot of us, because we're never taught this in school, we kind of hold on to it, and we hold that inside of us, and it limits us. Fears, disempowering beliefs and limiting beliefs, old programs, outdated programs, regrets, pain that we're holding on to, mental limitations about what's possible for us. We hold on to this, and this is what prevents us. It's like an anchor in a ship. You can attempt to go forward as much as you want, but this anchor is holding the ship down and stopping it from moving forward. And we all have these programs. I don't care how enlightened you may be. Even Heike and Selina, probably, that would be the first ones to tell you that they still have things that they're constantly going through and resolving for themselves. Well, how do we do this? So if we have these subconscious things stored in our subconscious that cause us to sometimes self-sabotage ourselves, stop us from achieving the things we want, how do we overcome this? Because once again, this is something we're not taught in school, and it's something that I want to bring here because Heiko and Selina learned this method from the founders of this method themselves. It's a method and a technique and a process called Linwall releasing, or just releasing for short. And it's one of the most powerful personal development, one of the most powerful personal growth, personal transformation processes ever created, ever out there, that can almost instantly help you create and clear out something that may have been stopping you from achieving a certain result. And again, they've done this for 25 years, helping people all around the world, many different countries, many different continents, thousands and thousands of people make these shifts in their lives. The results they've gotten for people, the testimonials they've gotten are truly incredible. They are incredible, caring people that really create transformation for people, which is why I partnered with them to create what is called the Global Releasing Webinar and Workshop Series. It's a series of free trainings, as well as if you can't make it live, you also get access to the recordings, where people will go with them. They're going to be conducting the sessions and helping people use this powerful technique called releasing to literally, on the spot there, on the training, to release the things that are stored in their subconscious that we don't even know about, that are preventing us from achieving the results we want. And so if you're here watching this video with me here, and you want to create more health, more love, more abundance, more harmony, more joy, more fulfillment in your life, then this is one of the best things that you can ever do for yourself. This is one of the best investments you can ever make for yourself, this releasing workshop series. Something I'm super, super excited about, that I've been able to partner with them and bring this to the Potentia community, bring this to my incredible audience. It's one of the most valuable things I've ever brought to my audience. And so I'll put a link down below, or you'll see on the screen. So you can go there, you can check all the information, the dates of when it's going to be happening, check what's included. There's a number of great bonuses we've added as well, and you can register for this training. You'll learn this technique, which will help you understand what's been holding you back from achieving more in your life. It will help you get rid of the anchors that are weighing down your ship, you in your life, so you can create more. It will help you raise your confidence. It will help you make some shifts, some small shifts internally, release some of the pain that maybe you've been holding inside, some of the limitations, some of the programs that have been passed down to you, and you'll be able to make huge shifts in your life, transformations in all the important areas of your life. Once again, I'm super, super excited to be making this video for you, to announce this. This is the announcement message here. So again, if you're interested, if this is something which you value your own personal growth, your transformation, and you want to keep going, you want to learn powerful tools that can help you make shifts in your life, you need to, and you should, sign up for this incredible workshop we've put together. So again, there'll be a link below or a link on the screen, which you can use. You can go there, you can get all the details, and you can sign up. And then I look forward to seeing what they can do for you, the transformation they can help you create through this workshop series. So I'm super, super excited to be sharing this with you. And again, if this is for you, if this sounds like something that you'll be interested in, make sure you go down below, click that video, you'll see a video on the page, you'll see details on the page, and you can register now.